Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video in this course, and this time we are going to talk about the conditional statements, and we are going to cover if, and nested if. So what does if do? When we say if, it needs a condition to execute a block of code. So let's check how we write it. Let me first assign a variable. Let me create a variable. Let me call it, for example, age and equals to 50. Okay, so I need a condition. This is how we write the if statement. Sorry, we need to put here a condition, and I'm going to say if age is over let's say 30, you need to execute this part of code. Let's say log the age is over 30. Okay, so let's execute this code and check what would happen. And as you can see here, it says the age is over 30. Let me clear the console. And in case if I change this one to 20, it will not print anything, because as you can see, the condition is not true, so it is not going to execute this block of code. So let's move further with this one. Let's say, for example, I'm going to need else if, and else if takes another condition, so it is going to take the same appearance like the first one. So I'm going to say here if age, let's say, is over 10, please print console.log age is over 10, age is over 10. Okay, so let's try to print this one. We said the age is 20. Let me save and rerun it. So yeah, the age is over 10. So let's move further. If I clicked on 5, so I'm going to click the play button again. As you can see, it did not print anything because the conditions did not occur, so both of them returning false, so they did not execute any of the code. So if I need to put a code that needs to be run even if the condition did not happen, so I need to put it in the else statement. So let's learn how to write else. This one is not going to take the condition, so we are not going to put any brackets like this. It just, let's say, console.log age is not greater than 10 or 30. And let's try to save and run this code. As you can see here, it printed the last one because it does not have the 30 or 10. Even if we said, for example, 0, or even if we said -1, it is going to print the same thing, because this would happen either way if these conditions are not true. And let's give another example for the nested if. So inside an if statement, I'm going to put another if statement, and I'm going to say, let me create it first, and I'm going to give it the condition if age is over, let's say, 60, the age console.log, and I'm going to ask it to print age is over 60, and I'm going to adjust the other one here, and I'm going to say it is, the age is between 30 and 59. So let's try to pick one for each. So I'm going to start with the over 60, and I'm going to say 70, and if it paused here, this will be true, and again it will go to this block, and if it will check if this one will be true or not, and if it is true, it will print this. So let's check it again. As you can see, the age is over 60. And in case I want to fail this one, I want it to be false, so I'm going to assign the value again to, let's say, 50 or 40, and it is going to print this one. So as you can see, the age is between 30 and 59. So this is how we deal and work with the conditional if statement.